each company kind of knows that there is a regulatory inspection, but not every company was inspected. So how shall I imagine, what does that mean to be inspected in pharmacovigilance?
In pharmacovigilance, of course. It's quite simple, I would say. Inspectors will come, they will review documents, interview people, and they will ask also for evidence, of course. It means not only if you have SOP in place, but also if you follow what is written in your SOP.
So basically, if I have process, procedure, and some records.
Exactly.
Sounds simple?
Yes, it might be.
I am afraid there is a lot of work behind that. So how shall I prepare my pharmacovigilance system to have it that simple?
This is continuous work. It is not only like a single activity which should be done before inspection. This is something what should be done each day. It is readiness. How company is ready for the inspection. How your system, quality system, pharmacovigilance system is prepared for the inspection. Then during the inspection, it might be a really simple activity. And plus, when you receive inspection notification or announcement from a competent authority about the inspection, you are ready for the inspection, but what you can do additionally, you can check how your system is ready for inspection. You can perform a mock inspection. You can check additionally your system is ready for inspection. Preferably, you have inspection checklist in front of you. You can go point by point, checking if it is ready for inspection or what is the status of each document or of each process.
That's actually a good idea to have inspection readiness in place. That's fine. But it's a good idea to run mock inspection, to be prepared, especially if I have not been inspected for some time. Okay, but if I have not been inspected, never ever, what happens during the inspection? How shall I, what shall I expect?
Okay, what I would recommend is to have one contact point who will coordinate all activities within the company, who will collect requests from the inspector regarding documents, who will then forward this request within the company, who will then issue these documents to inspectors, who will invite SMEs for interview, who will organize everything regarding inspection. Of course, SMEs should be ready anytime to come for the interview because you receive agenda. Usually, there is no fixed time dedicated for each area. You have just inspections areas mentioned in agenda, and inspectors go point by point, and you never know when which area will be inspected and when which SME should come for the interview.
Sounds pretty intense.
Yes, it is. And I would say, from my experience, I'm always tired after each inspection day.
And how many inspection days shall I expect?
It depends. Usually it's 3 and more days.
Oh my God. Okay, but then they are gone. Everything is okay. I may relax, right?
It is just a wish. It's still not a finish because after inspectors will leave your company, they continue in their work and then also we will continue in your work. You will receive inspection report from the inspectors. Usually, you don't have an opportunity to comment the inspection report as you know it from the audits. But of course, you need to prepare CAPA response. And this is also very important to prepare CAPA response on time and in high quality. Because also this is a picture of your quality culture which you provide to the inspectors after the inspection.
Very good. Thank you. So I need to be ready. I may have mock inspection. Then I have an intense period of inspection itself and intense period after.
Yes, exactly.
So in one sentence, if you should summarize what is really must know regarding pharmacovigilance inspections, what would that be? What would you recommend?
I would say that inspection readiness is really must.
Thank you. Sounds like that. I have a question about quality systems. Because I know that in pharmacovigilance, you need pharmacovigilance system and also quality systems in pharmacovigilance. So what does that mean? Is it part of quality management system or is it something standalone?
Quality system is a part of pharmacovigilance system. It's not just a wish of pharmacovigilance personnel, it's legal requirement. It is described also in GVP Module 1, where you can find exact wording, what is expected from quality system, which is a part of pharmacovigilance system.
So what's the relation between quality management system company usually has and pharmacovigilance quality system?
Quality management system in the company might be a general quality management system covering all areas in the company, like general activities or general areas such as HR, marketing, business, manufacturing, but also regulatory and pharmacovigilance. In big companies, I can imagine that pharmacovigilance department has own quality, but also this pharmacovigilance quality must be a part of this general company quality department or quality system.
Okay, so there is expectation that company has like quality management system as a framework in which other areas live. And one of these areas is pharmacovigilance. And in bigger companies, you may have dedicated pharmacovigilance quality department actually. So part of company quality management system is dedicated to pharmacovigilance, and within pharmacovigilance system, part is dedicated to quality. Do I understand correctly?
Yes, exactly. There should be always a link between this pharmacovigilance quality and quality of the whole company.
I see. Okay, so let's say that I am a well-educated person and I would like to establish my pharmacovigilance system and its quality as well. So how shall I approach if I am really at the beginning, if I have just established the company?
In this case, I would say it is the easiest. When you start with a development of your quality management system, you can cover all areas as I mentioned. These general areas such as quality, because of course you need to cover also quality activities, HR and so on, and in the same time you can include also pharmacovigilance activities directly during development of your quality management system.
That sounds like doable.
Exactly.
But what if I am later in my company life cycle? Let's say that I am at the end of clinical development and someone just came
Yes.
telling me that I need to have pharmacovigilance. So what shall I do then?
Yeah. Again, it's not so difficult because you already have QMS in place. You already have technology, you already have electronic management system, you already have electronic training system. So you, let's say, just put pharmacovigilance into your already existing QMS.
Another question. Sometimes it seems to me that people understand as quality management system being the same as standard operating procedures only. So if I generate enough paper, then I am good. So is it okay or?
Of course, no. It would be very, very simple, but QMS doesn't mean only SOPs or generally quality documents. It is much more than only these documents. It covers, like QMS covers, except of quality documents, also audits, findings, deviations, CAPAs, compliance.
Do you consider trainings as part of QMS?
Of course, this is also a very important part of QMS.
Okay, so if I have a QMS framework for all company and I have all these components you have just listed, the expectation from pharmacovigilance inspectors is that I have the same set for pharmacovigilance as well in place.
Yes, of course. You should apply everything what you apply for the rest of the company. You will apply also for pharmacovigilance, like trainings, compliance, procedures, deviations, and so on.
Okay, so in all this pharmacovigilance quality system, what do you consider to be the most threatening thing? What we really should avoid?
From my experience is when quality and pharmacovigilance don't collaborate together.
And if I am dedicated to quality and to pharmacovigilance and I really would like to have a nice system in place, what is your estimation time-wise? How long will it take to have a good, robust pharmacovigilance system and its quality?
It's a very difficult question, and of course, it depends from company to company. So, what do you think?